In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Open Interest RSI indicator on TradingView. This particular indicator is made by Leviathan, and you can find it here on TradingView typing Open Interest Suite, okay? This one, Open Interest Suite Aggregated by Leviathan Capital, this one here. And once you have loaded the indicator, the settings that I use are, I uncheck all these boxes and I leave only the Binance USDT perpetual open interest. I also color the candles, okay, by large OI open interest increase and large OI open interest decrease, and I leave it all the other settings as default, okay. How I use this indicator to make trading decisions on my trading system. So basically, the open interest indicator, what is telling us is how much open interest is already in the market, okay? So as you can see here, as in the normal open interest, you have the 50 line, the 20 line, and the 70 line. So let's say that when the open interest RSI is above the 50 line, so in the upper part between 70 and 50, I will consider to open shorts or to sell my spot backs or my spot positions. When the open interest RSI is below 50 line and above the 30 or 20 line, I will consider to open long positions or buy into spot. I'm not using the open interest RSI as an overbought or oversold indicator. I'm using it just like a sentiment indicator to see how many positions are being opened in the market and what side of the market is being caught offside. So maybe to counter trade these traders that are offside. As I always say, you need to combine these indicators with volume, with price action. So obviously, if we are at support, for example, if we are at resistance, for example here, and the open interest RSI is above 50, I will begin to try to sell my positions or to try to open a short position to catch the move to the downside. Right now, if the open interest, the RSI is below 50 and I am at support, okay, I'm at support zone or a supply a demand area, I will try to open along or to buy into spot to catch them up, to catch the move to the upside, okay. Again, if I'm reaching again a resistance area like this one, okay, for example support or resistance, and open interest is rising above the 50 line and between the 70 line, this tells me that maybe a retracement will be next. So I will try to look for shorts again. Again, I'm below at support again, okay, below 50, I will try to open along, okay. So open interest RSI is very useful, very easy to use. It's not like the traditional RSI indicator, and it's a way to gather, let's say, all the data of the open interest, because if you use just the open interest, you can trade using just open interest, okay, using just the open interest data, but it's more difficult to see it when you are a beginner. So maybe if you use the open interest RSI and you use it as an oscillator, as I told you before, when you are below 50 you buy or you try to look to enter into longs, and when you are above 50 you try to sell or try to enter into shorts, combining all this with price action and other indicators, okay. But you can mostly trade just using horizontal lines, trend lines, so support and demand, or supply and demand and support and resistance levels, and open interest RSI. You can make trading decisions and be profitable just with one indicator and price action, okay. So this is for the video for today, very quick video. Just wanted to deep dive a little bit more in open interest RSI because I did a video yesterday talking about the open interest suite by Leviathan Capital, this indicator that has many features, okay. I did a longer video, but today I wanted to cover more in depth the open interest RSI and how I use it in my trading analysis. I also combine it with volumes, as I said, with price action, with another indicators, okay. But This indicator is very powerful. I encourage you to use it, to backtest it. And as I always said, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Rumble, when you can find all my videos. And also you can visit my website, trading-soldier.com, where you can find a lot of free tutorials where I explain a lot of trading strategies, trading concepts. So go there and learn for free to become a better trader. So thank you for your time, and we see you on the next video.